Beatrice. I came from China. Our company name is Hefei Colorfly Stationery Company. Our main products is exercise books, notebooks, and the other paper products and some stationeries. This is the first time we came here to attend this fair, this exposition. We feel very good here. There are some customers and good position here, and we are still looking for we can get more and more customers here. Very nice to see you guys here.